guys, welcome back to Mother Tech class, and today in this session we are continuing the previous class topics operators. Okay, in previous class we have solved three operators and explained three operators, that is arithmetic, relational and logical operators. In this class we'll take a look into an assignment operator, increment and decrement operators and bitwise operators. Okay, and let's start with our fourth one. Yes, we completed three, and let's start with the fourth operator, assignment operator. Okay, here it is used to store value in a variable. Okay, and here there are five symbols. We'll do that. Operators: plus equals to, and next minus equals to. There are no particular names for this. I'll explain it. And divided equals to, modulus equals to. It means we'll take an example for each and everything and we'll go to one by one now. First one, plus equals to operator. We'll take an example, int x equals to 10, then x plus equals to 5. It means, okay, let us see. It means the symbol we used here, right, plus equals to operator. How we write means x equals to x plus 5. This is the thing, this one. Okay, we write this x plus equals to 5 in this form as x equals to x plus 5. Okay, and now if you solve this, output will be 15. Let's see how. Here x is 10, sorry, x equals to 10 plus 5, and then it's 15. Okay, now next operator, every operator is same. Okay, here let me take an example x equals to same, sorry, um no, we can't take it. I'll explain, wait. Now second one, minus equals to operator, and now we'll take int x equals to 10 and x minus equals to 5. Yeah, it's the same form as x equals to x minus 5. So output is 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Okay, and third one, star equals to, and now int x equals to 10 and now x star equals to 5. This will be written as x equals to x star 5. Yeah, then output will be 50. 10 into 5 equals to 50. Okay, and fourth one, slash equals to, it means division. division operator. Int x equals to 20. Let's change it, and now x value will be 5. X slash equals to 5, and now this can be written as x equals to x slash 5. It is division. Okay, now 5 times 4, 20 goes in 5 4 times, so output will be 4. And next, fifth one is modulus operator. Int x equals to 10, and now x modulus equals to, let's take 3, and here we write this as x equals to x modulus 3. Now output will be 1. Here 1. Okay, also remember, for printing the output we always use this line specially. Don't forget, system dot out dot print ln of x. You have to print x here, then you'll get output as 1. Okay, don't forget, write this for every line. Let me copy, then you will be clear. Yeah, see. Okay, now let's go to next topic. It's increment and decrement. It's our fifth topic. It's increment and decrement. So increment means you'll get 2 pluses. Decrement means you'll get 2 minus. These are the symbols. Increment and decrement, these are two types, and also there are types in it. First we'll discuss what is an increment operator and next decrement operator. Okay, first one, increment. Increment has 2 pluses, so if you get only increment, then its value will be increased by only one time. Okay, increases value by 1. Example, let int x equals to 5 x plus plus. This is how you have to write. Okay, and then printing output, system dot out dot println of x, only single x. Yeah, now output will be, see, x plus plus means x value will be increased by 1, so x equals to 5, here increases means plus 1, it means 6, so output will be 6. Okay, this one also can be written as same, x equals to x plus 5. Okay, sorry, 1 x plus plus means this one, don't forget. And now let's go to decrement. It means minus minus, so decreases by 1. Here in increment it increases value by 1, and in decrement it decreases value by 1. Okay, we'll take the same example, but just we'll change things. Let's copy, paste. Yeah, here minus minus x minus 1. If we print output, then 5 minus 1 is 4, so output will be 4. Okay, this is the thing, and there are types in it. Okay, also in before we discussed assignment operators, there we have learned x plus equals to symbol, right? So x plus equals to symbol and x plus plus symbol both are same because both increases its value by 1. Okay, let's take this as an important point. X plus plus and x plus equals to 1, both are same. Okay, now we'll discuss main things. Okay, there are prefix and postfix. There are two types. Okay, wait. First one, prefix and postfix. Yeah, prefix means first we'll add the value and then we assign it. Postfix means first we assign the value and then we'll add. Okay, means this is how you have to write a prefix. First plus plus and x, and this one first x and x plus plus. Okay, you you think that this x plus plus and this one is same, but it's different. Okay, now let us learn them deeply. First one, postfix. Okay, here use first and increases next. Okay, this is the definition. Use the value first and increases the value next. Okay, here example, int x equals to 5. Now system.out.println of x plus plus, so output will be what? Increases, right? But how first value gonna assigned? So it prints 5 first and then increases to 6, then output will be 5. Okay, because first increment is happening, so this system takes increments value first as output and this one will become later as 6, so no problem. Let us check a dry run, then you'll understand clearly. Dry run. First print first 5. Okay, then increases to 6, but output will be 5. Okay, next one is postfix. In that used like this, right? In that only we use prefix. Okay, this is an increment postfix. Increment postfix. The second one, increment prefix. Here plus plus x. Okay, first of all here increases first and then assigns the value, means uses later. Now example, int x equals to 5 of plus plus x, then output will be what? Guess. First here increment gonna happen, means 5 becomes 6, and assignment, so output will be 6. Okay, let's check dry run. Yeah, first increases, right? First increases to 6, then assigns the value, means print 6, output will be 6. Okay, I hope you understand. And next also you can see the same one. Okay, I'll not type now. See, next one is decrement postfix. Okay, you'll get the same thing. Wait, I'll change here. Decrement postfix means just we change symbols to minus. First uses first and then decreases the value next later. Okay, x equals to 5, x minus minus, and then output will be 5 because it takes value first. Okay, and here minus minus. Okay, you cap, yes, first print 5, then decreases to 4, then value printed will be 5. Okay, here also decrement prefix means first decreases and then uses later. X equals to 5, first it decreases, then output will be 4. First decrease, driver also. If it get decreased 5 minus 1, it's 4. Then print 4. Output will also 4. Okay, simple. These are the things. There are nothing tough than anything. Okay, everything is easy if you think that. Okay, and next one is shift operators. I think it's okay. Up to now is enough because other operators are not much more important. So I hope you guys understand this class and wait for the next class. We'll discuss the most important topics in Java, that is statements. Okay. From then we'll be using more coding problems. We'll learn more and more new problems day to day, every day. Okay. So wait till another class, and now take care and bye bye. Keep practicing every day, and if you have any doubts please comment it down. Okay, take care and see you.